Have you ever wondered how to make $1 million on YouTube? It's not a pipe dream, it's a realistic goal. YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment, it's a goldmine for those willing to dig. It's a world of opportunity where creativity and business merge seamlessly. In this video, we'll break down this journey into an easy-to-follow, step-by-step process, paving the way to your potential success. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey towards YouTube success. Before we dive into the $1 million strategy, let's understand the basics of YouTube. Now, YouTube isn't just about uploading a video and hoping for the best. It's a complex ecosystem driven by algorithms, governed by community guidelines, and fueled by monetization policies. So let's break these down. First, the algorithms. These are the invisible decision makers that decide which videos get recommended and which ones fall into obscurity. Understanding YouTube's algorithms is like learning a new language, but it's a language that's crucial to your success. They're influenced by factors like watch time, viewer engagement, and the freshness of your content. Next, the community guidelines. These are the rules of the game. Break them, and you risk losing your channel. They cover everything from copyright infringement to harmful content. It's important to familiarize yourself with these guidelines to ensure your content is always in compliance. Then, the monetization policies. This is where the money comes in. YouTube has a set of rules to determine which channels are eligible to earn revenue. It's not just about the views, it's about the quality of your content and your audience. But remember, it's not just about understanding these elements. It's about creating regular, high-quality content. Quantity may get you noticed, but quality will keep your audience coming back for more. Now that you're familiar with the basics of YouTube, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of making $1 million. The first step to making $1 million on YouTube is creating engaging content. You've probably heard the phrase, "content is king," 1,000 times. And guess what? It's absolutely true. But what does it mean, really? It's not just about making any content, it's about making the right content. Think of your content as the heart of your YouTube channel, pumping life into your brand and connecting you to your audience. Without it, your channel is just an empty shell. So, how do you create content that's worthy of a crown? First, it's crucial to find a niche that aligns with your interests. Your passion will shine through your videos, attracting viewers who share your enthusiasm. Say you're a fitness enthusiast. You could create workout routines, share nutrition tips, or even review fitness gear. The possibilities are endless, but remember, your niche should also match the market demand. No matter how passionate you are about underwater basket weaving, if there's no audience for it, you'd be swimming against the tide. Next, focus on quality. High-quality videos are more likely to retain viewers and encourage them to subscribe. This doesn't mean you need a Hollywood budget. With today's technology, even a smartphone can produce great results. What's more important is your content's value. Are you providing useful information? Are you entertaining? Are you inspiring? Always aim to offer something that keeps your viewers coming back for more. Engaging with your audience is another key aspect. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your viewers. This builds a community around your channel, fostering loyalty and encouraging viewer participation. Lastly, consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your channel active and your audience engaged. It's like showing up for a date. If you're always late or canceling, your date is likely to lose interest. Similarly, if you're inconsistent with your uploads, your viewers might lose interest and move on. Remember, your content is the foundation of your YouTube channel. Build it strong. So go ahead, find your niche, create high-quality videos, engage with your audience, and stay consistent. With the right content, you're already on your way to making $1 million on YouTube. Creating great content is just the start. You also need to build a strong brand. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, think of your favorite YouTubers. What makes them stand out in the sea of content creators? It's their unique brand identity. It's what sets them apart, what makes them memorable, and what keeps you coming back for more. First off, let's talk about your channel name. It's like your YouTube passport. It's how people find you and remember you. So, make it catchy, make it meaningful, and most importantly, make it you. Next up is your channel art. This is your visual handshake, your first impression. It's what viewers see before they even click on one of your videos. So make it count. Create visually appealing channel art that represents your unique brand identity. But it's not just about what people see, it's also about what they hear. Your brand voice and style are key. Whether you're funny, serious, informative, or a mix of all three, your voice should be consistent. It's the tone you set in your videos, the way you communicate with your viewers, and the style in which you present your content. Remember, building a brand isn't about mimicking someone else's success. It's about being authentic, being consistent, and being you. A strong brand is a magnet that pulls viewers towards your channel. So go on, create a brand that's uniquely yours, and watch your viewership grow. Now, let's talk about the part you're most excited about, making money. When it comes to YouTube, there are various avenues to earn revenue. Firstly, let's look at ad revenue. Once you've hit the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you're eligible for YouTube's partner program. Joining this program allows ads to be placed on your videos, and you'll earn money based on how many views those ads get. But ads are just the tip of the iceberg. Sponsorships can be a gold mine, especially for channels with a loyal following. Companies are often willing to pay for product placements or mentions in your videos. Remember, the key is to find sponsors whose products align with your content and audience. Then, there's merchandise. Got a catchy slogan or a unique logo? Put it on a t-shirt, mug, or poster and sell it to your fans. It's a great way to both make money and build your brand. And let's not forget about crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you directly. In return, you can offer them exclusive content or other perks. It's a win-win situation. However, here's a word of caution. While it's possible to make a decent income from YouTube, it's not a guaranteed gold rush. The platform can change its policies or the ad revenue can fluctuate. That's why it's crucial not to put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, think of YouTube as a platform to diversify your income streams. Combine ad revenue with sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. You could even offer online courses or write a book related to your content. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the journey to $1 million is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But with the right strategy and a bit of creativity, it's definitely achievable. Diversification is the key to making $1 million on YouTube. So, you've learned the steps to making $1 million on YouTube. Let's recap. We kicked off our journey by understanding the basics of YouTube. We learned the importance of knowing your platform inside out, from how the algorithm works to the significance of SEO. Then, we focused on the king itself, content. High-quality, engaging content is the backbone of your YouTube success. Consistency is crucial, and remember, always create content that you're passionate about. Next, we explored the power of branding. We talked about creating a strong digital identity, understanding your niche, and connecting with your audience authentically. Lastly, we delved into the art of monetizing effectively. We focused on various revenue streams, from ad revenue and sponsorships to merchandise and crowdfunding. Remember, the journey to $1 million on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, persistence, and passion are your keys to success.